The rise of AI in cybersecurity in today's digital age. Cybercrime is a constant threat. Hackers are growing more sophisticated, and traditional security methods are often stretched thin. Enter artificial intelligence (AI), a revolutionary technology with the potential to transform the cybersecurity landscape. But is AI a valiant defender or a double-edged sword? AI excels at analyzing massive datasets, a key strength in cybersecurity. It can sift through network traffic, identifying suspicious patterns and potential malware hidden amongst millions of data points. Imagine a tireless guard, constantly scanning for anomalies that might signal an impending attack. AI-powered user entity behavior analytics (UBA) takes this a step further, analyzing user behavior to detect unusual activity that could indicate a compromised account. Beyond detection, AI automates security tasks, freeing human experts for more strategic work. Think of AI as a tireless assistant, handling repetitive tasks like threat investigation and initial containment. This allows security professionals to focus on complex threats and incident response, improving overall efficiency. The real power of AI lies in its ability to be proactive. By analyzing past attack data and user behavior, AI can predict future threats and even prevent them altogether. This is akin to having a security oracle, foreseeing potential attacks and taking preventative measures. However, AI isn't a silver bullet. AI systems can generate false positives, wasting valuable time investigating non-existent threats. Similarly, they can miss genuine threats due to limitations in the training data. Human oversight remains crucial to ensure AI tools function effectively. Another concern is AI's vulnerability. If hackers can manipulate the data fed to AI systems, they could potentially exploit vulnerabilities or even launch AI-powered attacks. Robust security measures are essential to safeguard these powerful tools. Finally, ethical considerations loom large. AI algorithms can perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to discriminatory security practices. Developing AI with diverse datasets and strong ethical principles is paramount. In conclusion, AI presents a powerful new weapon in the fight against cybercrime. Its ability to analyze vast data, automate tasks, and predict threats offers significant advantages. However, we must acknowledge the potential drawbacks and ensure responsible development and deployment. The future of cybersecurity hinges on harnessing the power of AI while mitigating its risks. Is AI friend or foe? The answer lies in how we choose to wield this powerful technology. Thanks for listening. This is brought to you by Balaji Bankule's Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program.